Welcome back to our channel. Today we are talking about something that can completely change your life forever. Focus, not talent, not luck, not intelligence, but focus. Many people have dreams, goals, and desires for success, confidence, peace, freedom, or happiness. However, very few stay focused long enough to achieve them. This is because we live in a world full of distractions such as phones, fear, negative thoughts, overthinking, people's opinions, and comfort. All of these slowly weaken the mind, making people start many things but finish nothing, make plans without action, and feel motivated one day only to lose it the next. The good news is that focus is not something you are born with. It is a skill that can be trained. In this video, you will learn simple, practical, powerful, and life-changing lessons to strengthen your focus, protect your energy, discipline your mind, and move toward the life you truly want. So take a deep breath, relax your mind, and let's begin. One of the biggest reasons people lose focus is that they cannot clearly see where they're going. They wake up without direction, work without vision, and move without purpose. This makes distractions, laziness, excuses, and fear stronger. The mind always needs direction, just like a ship in the ocean cannot move properly without a destination. Understand this carefully. Your brain follows images. If you constantly imagine failure, weakness, and disappointment, your energy will drop. But if you imagine growth, success, discipline, peace, and confidence, your mind becomes motivated. That is why visualizing your future matters. See yourself as stronger, more disciplined, and more confident, working consistently, achieving goals, helping your family, and living with pride instead of regret. This is not just dreaming. It is mental direction that gives your brain a reason to stay focused. Many people fail to start because they feel overwhelmed by too many ideas, goals, and pressures. They overthink, delay, and wait for the perfect time. But the truth is you do not need to see the whole path, just the first step. Like driving at night where only the small light ahead is visible, life works the same way. You do not need perfect clarity, only movement. Start small, read one page, exercise for 5 minutes, practice English for 10 minutes, write one paragraph, or clean one corner of your room. Small actions may seem insignificant, but repeated daily, they create massive change. Overthinking also destroys focus because many people spend more time thinking about action than actually taking action. They ask themselves, what if I fail? Or what if people judge me? While life continues moving forward. No successful person had everything figured out at the beginning. They all started confused and imperfect, but they started anyway. Overthinking creates mental exhaustion, while action creates clarity. Instead of asking, what if I fail? Ask, what if I never try? This simple shift changes everything. Your focus is also strongly influenced by your environment. Negative people, constant drama, social media overload, and toxic conversations weaken your mind. Not everything deserves your attention. Protect your energy by not arguing with everyone, not explaining everything, and not seeking everyone's approval. A peaceful mind always focuses better, so choose your environment wisely because the people around you shape your thoughts more than you realize. Many people are uncomfortable being alone, so they constantly seek noise, entertainment, and distractions. But silence is powerful. Time alone helps you understand yourself, hear your real thoughts, and discover your true goals. Being alone is not loneliness. It is growth, healing, and self-discovery. It strengthens your relationship with yourself and improves your focus. Focus is like a muscle. If you do not train it, it becomes weak, but daily practice makes it stronger. Every time you resist distraction, you build focus. Every time you complete a difficult task, you build discipline. Every time you stay consistent, you train your brain to trust you. Discipline is not built in one day, but through repetition and small habits. A busy mind struggles to focus. Journaling helps release stress, fear, and confusion by writing down thoughts, goals, and emotions. It does not require perfect grammar, only honesty. A clear mind naturally focuses better because it is not overloaded with mental clutter. Your physical health also affects your focus. A tired body creates a distracted mind. Sleep, nutrition, water, rest, and exercise are essential because focus is not only mental discipline but also energy management. When your body is strong, your mind becomes clearer. Comparison is another major distraction. Social media often makes people feel behind by showing others' success. But you are comparing your real life to someone else's highlight. Everyone has a different journey, struggles, and timing. Focus on your own growth instead of comparing your beginning to someone else's middle. Success is not built in one perfect day, but through consistency. Many people start strong for a few days and then quit, but truly successful people continue even when progress is slow. Consistency always beats intensity because small actions repeated daily create transformation. Finally, never believe you are permanently stuck. Change is always possible. Growth is often slow and invisible at the beginning, like seeds growing underground before showing results. Even when you cannot see progress, it is happening. Keep going. In conclusion, focus has the power to completely transform your life. One focused year can change your entire future. Protect your attention, discipline your habits, and train your mind daily. Do not let distractions control your life. A focused person becomes unstoppable. Thank you for watching. If this message helped you, like, share, and subscribe for more motivational